A judge set bond at $80,000 today for a promising Florida Gators football backup quarterback now facing child pornography charges. 19-year-old Jalen Kitna appeared to be upset today, put his head down when his parents started talking to the judge.
Police say Kitna shared 2 child sex abuse images online and had 3 other images on his phone. The Florida Gators suspended the student athlete indefinitely. News4JAX reporter Vic Michelucci tells us Kitna looked dejected as attorneys discussed his case.
An obviously shaken Jalen Kitna appeared before a judge from the Alachua County Jail. A video feed into the courtroom showed him in a suicide prevention vest. Deputies offering no explanation why. Kitna was a promising backup quarterback for the Florida Gators. The 19-year-old is now suspended from the team. His arrest report shows the allegations behind the child pornography charges. Gainesville police say he sent 2 images to another user on the social media site Discord. One girl appears prepubescent, and the words "so young" are typed on the photo. Another image shows a girl around the puberty age. With his permission, detectives searched his cell phone and say that they found 3 images of nude underage girls. In the report, they also documented an interview that they did with the student athletes. Kitna said he used to be in Kik chat groups that distributed child sexual abuse material. When asked how he would have accidentally downloaded child sex abuse material, he said he might have accidentally clicked on a link he shouldn't have. He also noted that he doesn't prefer anyone younger than 16 years old. During a lengthy bond hearing this morning, Kitna's defense attorneys asked he be released on his own recognizance, telling the judge he'd cooperate and until now has an unblemished history. His parents, Jennifer and John Kitna, a former NFL star quarterback, testified if he was released, they'd take custody of him at their home in Texas.
Will you personally come with him and make sure that he's here for every single court appointment?
Yes.
After hearing arguments from the defense and prosecutors, the judge set a bond at $80,000, saying Kitna cannot access the internet as he awaits trial and can't have any unsupervised contact with minors. Is $80K a fair bond here?
I've seen bonds higher in situations. I've seen bonds lower.
Attorney Gene Nichols, not affiliated with the case, says lawyers on both sides will have to look at the facts.
The lawyers are going to have to look at the photos. They're going to have to look at the evidence. They're going to have to see whether or not this person did actually send photos back and forth.
And in court today, attorneys said that if he is convicted of the charges that he's facing, Kitna could spend up to 16 months behind bars in state prison. I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.
Thank you, Vic. ESPN is now reporting that Kitna is represented by a Gainesville attorney and well-known Jacksonville attorney, Hank Cox. Cox has previously taken on cases involving high-profile athletes.